Today I would like to give you some tricks on how to do maths problems regarding, let's talk about Laplace. So Laplace transformation, you can solve some of the questions by some small keys. For example, if you want to solve some questions related to sine square t, or let's talk about Laplace, or you can solve about sine square t 2t. You can solve the questions with sine square 3t and so on. Similarly, you can also solve the questions related to Laplace cos squared t, Laplace cos square 2t, or Laplace cos square 3t. You can solve all these questions just by knowing one or may say two formulas. Okay. 2a, we must be knowing cos 2a means it's nothing but it's let's say 2 cos so here we want square, so it must be 2 cos square a minus 1. And if you talk about same thing, cos 2a is equal to 2 sine, or let's say 1 minus 2 sine square a. So with this we can get the formula of cos as square as well as sine square. Construct it, we can say so cos square a is equal to, if you bring this is positive, so if you bring this side, it becomes positive, right? Minus becomes positive, so it becomes 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So cos square, we got 1 plus cos 2a by 2. And similarly, if you talk about sine square a, we get, so this portion we have to, this is negative, so if you bring this side, it becomes positive. You bring that side, so it becomes negative. So 1 minus, so cos 2a by 2. That's it, my friends. You got these two formulas. So once if you get cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, sine square a means 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Then you can easily solve Laplace things. How? Because we know now, if it is, suppose if you are talking about cos square a, then suppose if you are talking about here 2t, this one, okay? For this, same formula works. Yes, for this, same formula works. But what about 2t? In that case, you just replace this with into 2. You just multiply it, cos 4a. Similarly, here cos 4a. In each case, like suppose if you talk about, you are trying to find here this one and here this one, then in this case what will happen? Cos 2t is there, so in that case you will be writing here 1 plus cos 4a. Why? You multiply with 2, the 2 this is here, so got it. Similarly, if you are trying to know about this, you multiply with 3. So 3 means here it becomes 6. So 1 plus cos 6a by 2. So in that way, you can get the answer very easily. I don't need to go for square things now, because that square has been converted to normal form in these two equations. So by hearting these two equations, you will get this. And it's very easy to by heart. Why it's easy? Because if you take sine, this sine has minus, and then cos, it has plus. That will help it, okay? So for sine square a, you have 1 minus cos 2a by 2, and then cos square a, you have 1 plus cos 2a by 2. I know this one may be this side, but it's positive, so anyways you can write, but you cannot write base. So just make it in the same format so that you just remember the 1 plus cos 2a by 2, and then 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 2 is common, as well as 1 is common, cos 2a is common. Just the sign change makes the sign. So one formula you learned, and you remember, you can get how many solutions? You get all these questions solutions. So it's very easy. Just go for it and try to solve some questions regarding this Laplace, and you will find wonderful. You will get it in within seconds, your answers. You don't need to waste hours. I know everybody is studying very hard, but only the thing is, even if you study, you might fail if you don't know some key things. My dear lovely friends, just try. And I will teach you for cube also. It's very easy. Similarly, it will be very easy. Let's see for cube again. Next video.